The next bit of our webinar today is about using Optymyse schedule messages to keep your agents informed of things that you can know about in advance and that you want to remind them of regularly, so that they have the knowledge and autonomy to handle questions and incidents when they come in on the phone. So they're, you know, forewarned is forearmed, so to speak. This increases their status, it gives them certainty, it lets them feel in control of events and the future. And all of these things are only positive. This is going to help people to stay sort of calm, relaxed, ready to go, not experience social pain, and they're going to feel secure and trusted. And that's really important for lowering stress hormones. So the template in the background now, the blue message about the planned motorway maintenance that you can see every few minutes coming on. I'm going to hand over to Optymyse guru Sarah, and she's going to talk us through how you can go about setting up a scheduled message using the Optymyse designer. Are you there, Sarah?
I am indeed, yeah. So in order to schedule a message, the first thing we need to do is set up a trigger. And a trigger is what will make the message appear at the time required. So this is the Optymyse system here. Many of you may have seen it already. We just need to go into triggers and add a new trigger. Okay, we then need to give the trigger a name. So in this example, we can call it roadworks message. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is set up the conditions and the actions of the trigger, which means we're telling the system how and when we want the message to display. Right, okay. So in this example, we don't want the trigger to play a sound, like it has the option in there. And we also don't want the font or the background color to change. We just want it to show for now. Okay. We then click add, and this will automatically save the trigger for us. Okay, so once we've got the trigger set up, we can open the page we're currently working on. Just give it a minute. Okay, and this is the designer part of the system, and this is where the templates get created. So once the trigger is set up, we now need to apply it to the label. Okay, and we actually have a label already set up here, which has been pre-designed beforehand, and it's been created to inform agents about planned roadworks, as you can see. This will create greater certainty and autonomy for the agents. Okay, we then go into the page and we then select the trigger we have just set up from the drop down. Okay, so that's been selected. Now you can change the styling of the label. So you can change the font size, the color, the background, you can even add a border. But for now, we'll just set up as is. Okay, so once the trigger is set to the label and you're happy with the styling of it, it's now been attached. We now just save. And then the message is ready to view and schedule at the time you required. And it's as simple as that.